Table Tennis Championship medals. And he takes down big names all the time. The thing is, between these two, they've played so many times, but Gacina has lost us. Electric rally to begin. High voltage. Different thing coming up against it though and dealing with it.
1-all. Two, 1. One, 3.
Boll is just so intelligent with the push play. You can't show what you want to do too soon because Boll will put it exactly where you don't want it. Might have lost a bit of speed, but he's still got that control.
1-4. Left. 1-4. 5-1.
Beautiful forehand flick. Oh. Wow.
Two, 6.
He was kind of guide flicking it into the burned occasionally, whatever. Percentage-wise, it's not being. It's going to be the backhand most of the time.
8-3. 4-8.
Human.
Left. 4-8.
This is better from Gacina here.
5-8.
Want to stand too close. Give himself a bit more space to maneuver there. A bit more time on it. Runs in for the flick.
10-5.
5 game. Oh, beautiful. Vision from Gacina again here. Broke the pattern. Third one went into the forehand.
7-10.
Better here from Gacina. It's like the level we know and love him for, but still, got all pendulums. Play the reverse there, and just can he be the man to save the day? The German hero. We shall see. When he plays. Wow, brilliant rally there. First one was a belter, but China there nicely improvised. So much studyable, but rallies, you kind of feel pressure to finish it sooner rather than later.
1-3. Left. 1-3. Left. 1-3. Left. 1-3.
Nice racket speed from Gacina. Kind of skidded along. And that Boll even has that in mind when he serves. All the top pros do, really. But some are more conscious of it. Oh, it would have sent Boll if it would have landed. I like the intention there from Gacina. Amazing receive from Timo. Wow. Perfection.
Left, 5-6.
Chiquita flip,
7-5.
coming right around. An integral part of their success. And you can see why. It's a mastermind of technique.
6-8.
Technique. Timo Boll's. Not many players you see who you think, oh, he looks like Timo Boll. He's kind of in a world. Oh, Gacina. Top Chinese would reach. Really direct play. Nice relaxed backhand. Men's team, so could this be their first time?
9-8.
Amazing.
10.
A bit wider to the forehand.
Left, 8-10.
He has.
11-8.
He's done it. Gacina looking like it will be. Can he beat? So reliable, away from the table. He levels up here. Oh my word. Rally of the day, potentially. 10 in the top 5. He's done amazingly well there, Gacina. Ball just kind of wavers in the air when Boll plays. He gives you time, but the ball is just so different from so many players. Like that ball there, Gacina knows he's got time, but the ball is just dipping so drastically. As tight as a man. Studying as it's happening, Boll. It's like a sponge, just absorbing, just able to make it look so easy. The way he adapts.
8-3.
Just unplayable. Of Gacina Boll, as well as that, everything that he had really in terms of control, wisdom.
10-5.
That's why he even took it on in the first place. And there we go. This one is literally balanced on a knife edge. Who is going to make the cut here in this quarter final? Stay tuned to find out. It all comes down.
Film, analyze, win. That's the game. Your results will clearly improve when you start filming your game and analyzing it from outside. Now analysis takes much less time thanks to Better Play's artificial intelligence.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.